Here is a scanned PDF file. If I try to select the text, I cannot edit anything. And if I copy and paste it into Word, it does not work because this file is just an image, not real text. This is a very common problem with scanned PDFs. Most scanned PDFs are created from scanners or images, so Word cannot read the text directly. Many online tools claim to fix this, but they ask you to upload your scanned PDF to their servers. On top of that, these tools often mess up the layout and structure of the document, so the final file does not look like the original. And since these PDFs can contain personal, legal or confidential information, uploading them online is not always safe. So for privacy and data safety, we'll use an offline tool called SysWeak PDF Editor. You can download SysWeak PDF Editor from the link given in the description. So let us begin. First, click Open PDF. Now select your scanned PDF file and open it. As you can see, this PDF is a scan and the text is not selectable. Now go to the top menu bar and click on Tools. From here, click on Perform OCR. A new window will open. Here, click on Convert Mode and choose the document type as Word. Now, select the output folder where you want to save the Word file. Below this, you will see different layout options. Select the layout that best matches your document. Now choose the mode. I recommend keeping Advanced selected as it gives a balanced and accurate conversion. Once everything is set, click on Perform OCR. The tool will now scan the document and convert it into an editable Word file. Once the process is complete, the file will be saved automatically in the selected output folder. Let us open the files. Here's the original scanned PDF file and here's the Word file created from it. As you can see, the scanned PDF is now converted into a Word document. The layout looks the same as it was in the scanned file, and you can simply click on any text and start editing it. Everything is now selectable and ready to make changes. And all of this happens completely offline without uploading your scanned PDF anywhere. So this is a simple and safe way to convert a scanned PDF file into an editable Word document. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.